6 days a week before the sun begins to rise. The city air is heavy, soot is stinging in our eyes. 14 hours on the floor, the clock is just a ghost. We're working for a pittance while the owners have the most. From the cottage to the cobbles, from the farm to the machine, the world is turning gray where the fields were once so green. No safety for the broken, no money for the hurt. Just a gear within the engine, treated a little more than dirt. And the mothers and the fathers work in houses far apart, and the children pull the levers, breaking every little heart. The city's growing faster than the sewers or the drains, with the sickness in the water and the sorrow in the veins. But oh, can you see the bounty? Oh, can you see the store? There's food and there's a jacket for the rich and for the poor. It's the gifts and it's the challenges, the silver and the rust. A modern world is rising from the ashes. Access for the many, a transformation grand. We're building up the future with a heavy, tired hand. The urbanization is a river running deep to the tenements of London where the weary people sleep. No planning for the people, just a roof above the head, while the pollution paints the sky and the river turns to lead. But look across the ocean, look 100 years ahead, to the prosperity we're building, to the hungry who are fed. A wider world of choices, a life we never knew. The foundations being laid by the many for the few. The family has shifted, the home is not the base. A change in every dynamic, a change in every face. Low wages for the women and the children in the gloom, but the seeds of modern living are beginning now to bloom. The smoke is in the air, the goods are on the shelf. The world has lost its quiet to reinvent itself.